Hi, my name is John. I'm in Anaheim, and I found Fitzhauer Construction on the internet. They had a leak in my house. They took care of rebuilding the roof. They rebuilt the side of the house. Their crew showed up on time. They cleaned up the mess, and they did a fantastic job.
So we had started with the leak and an unhappy wife. Fitzhauer helped us out. We went from a mess to Fitzhauer handling everything. One-stop shop, once and for all, a years-long problem that we've had with water going down the inside of the house and behind some brickwork on the outside. They're able to fully repair the outside of the house. It looks great. They Every wish of mine was to make it look seamless. They stuccoed everything up, including a little form around the window that matched up to where our patio pavers went. They fixed that, made it look seamless. They fixed the roof. No complaints. They even matched the paint perfectly. We couldn't have asked for a better experience. We went from a mess to cleaned up quickly.